See the fourth problem. What is the distance between two parallel line tangents of a circle which has radius 4.5 centimeter, and justify your answer. So we draw the figure. O is the center of circle, AB and CD is the tangent which are parallel to the circle. Okay, and we have constructed two lines, that is we have joined EF, and let us check here one more segment GH. Here we will take G and H. Okay, so now you can see AB is parallel to GH, GH is parallel to CD. So let us write the descriptive now. Okay, first O is the center of circle. O is the center of circle. AB and CD are tangent to circle at point E and F respectively. Okay, AB is parallel to CD. This is given to you. Then GH is parallel to AB. This we had constructed, and GH is also parallel to CD. This also we constructed. So now you can write AB is parallel to GH, which is also parallel to CD. Now see OEA. Angle OEA is equal to 90 degree, and reason is by tangent theorem. Similarly, angle OFC is equal to 90 degree, reason is same, tangent theorem. So therefore angle AEO plus angle GOE is equal to 180 degree, and reason is these are interior angles, so interior angle theorem. So therefore angle AEO is 90 degree, so therefore angle GOE will be 180 minus 90, that is 90 degree. GOE is 90. Similarly, angle CFO plus angle GOF is equal to 180 degree. Reason is by interior angle theorem. Measure of angle CFO is 90, so angle GOF is also equal to 180 minus 90, that is 90. So we got GOF 90 and GOE as also 90. So now we can say angle GOE plus angle GOF is equal to 180 degree. These angles are also supplementary. These angles are supplementary angles. They are forming linear pair. They are also forming linear pair. So now we can say that ray OF and ray OE is opposite rays. Okay, so now you can see OF is the radius. So radius of a circle is given to us, that is OE is equal to 4.5 centimeter. So therefore OF will be also 4.5 centimeter. We know the property that EF is the diameter, and diameter is twice the radius, that is OE. So therefore 2 into 4.5, that is EF is equal to 9 units. So we can write the reason. The distance between these two parallel lines is 9 centimeter. Final conclusion, write down after the problem.